lightweight and not at all sticky. It is more of a hydrating body lotion than that of the flaky skin, dry skin. If your skin is peeling during the winter, then the actual reason of this is the broken barrier of your body skin. Hi everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my video. Well, this video is going to be about the best body lotion out there in the market, but they have to be under budget. Being a dry skin girly, I know the real struggle of finding out a good and effective body lotion. When it comes to a daily use product, then it is very difficult to get your hands on the expensive stuffs available in the market. So you actually need to find out a product that you actually are able to continue with for a really long term. So this is the matter, and this is the reason I am here to help you to find out the correct body lotion which will actually be very effective for your skin to cater the kind of dryness we have in winter, and also it will fit your pocket as well. The first body lotion I'm going to talk about is this one. It's from Nivea. It's called Nivea Body Lotion Cocoa Nourish 72-hour Moisture Intensive Care. Now, this is a kind of body lotion that is not very expensive, that comes under 500 rupees as well. This is the kind of texture it has. As you can see, it's not very thick actually, but it does nourish your skin very well. If you have very dry skin, if you have a very flaky sort of skin, then if you are wishing to have a body lotion that will stay on your skin for a really long time, then this is it. This is the goal of yours. You can see that it melts into the skin really quickly. It gets penetrated into the skin, and this is the reason it stays into your skin for a really long time, which is a great factor of this. And it is also an inexpensive one. Although the MRP is 565, it will cost you under 500 for sure, because this is almost always on sale. So you can avail it within 400 or 450 rupees easily. The next body lotion I'm going to talk about is from Parachute One. It's called Parachute Advanced Body Lotion Deep Nourish, and this particular variant is specifically meant for the dry skin. But let me tell you, the texture of this particular body lotion is really very lightweight. As you can see, this is the kind of texture this body lotion has. It is extremely lightweight and not at all sticky. It stays into the skin for a really long time. I think it is more of a hydrating body lotion than that of the moisturizing one. You can see when you apply it, you can already see that how much the skin glows, because of the record hydration of your skin is getting fulfilled by this particular body lotion. It is extremely inexpensive, but it does the job really well. If you have oily skin but you are having that chilly dryness into your skin in this winter, then this is the perfect body lotion of yours. Even if you have dry skin, you can surely use it, because it hydrates your skin so well that you don't need to reapply your body lotion again and again, which is the best part of it. You're basically getting 250 ml for just 198 rupees. Now 198 rupees is basically the MRP of this particular body lotion, but during the sale you can definitely avail it within 150 or 160 rupees very easily. If I talk about body lotions, if I make a video about body lotions, then without a Vaseline body lotion, my video is absolutely incomplete. Now this particular variant is specifically made for those who have very dry skin. It's called Vaseline Derma Care Advanced Repair Body Lotion with Barrier Repair Complex. Now let me tell you, extreme dryness may come from different issues such as thyroid, such as PCOD, or it may be genetic or some other issues. But the main reason of flaky skin, dry skin, if your skin is peeling during the winter, then the actual reason of this is the broken barrier of your body skin. We talk about the barrier repair complex usage on our facial skin, but we do not talk enough about the body skin repair, the skin barrier repair. This is the one body lotion I have seen that comes out with the barrier repair complex for your body skin, which is a great idea. Honestly, it claims probably that it will show you the result within 4 or 5 days. I'm not sure, but for sure I can tell you that it will show you the result within 2 weeks of use. I have used it. This has been my favorite body lotion since a few years now. This one is particularly made for the very dry skin or extremely dry skin. It has slightly silky finish. It's a little different from the Nivea one. I'm telling you, the finish is little different from the Nivea one. It is also very lightweight. It is slightly scented, but it will not be a very irritating one or a very strong one. It gets penetrated also very easily, but the kind of finish it gives on your skin is very silky. It is not going to irritate your skin. It is non-sticky on your skin if you have very dry skin. If you are facing the fish scale skin or skin peeling problem or extreme dryness that you have to reapply your body lotion again and again, then this is the kind of body lotion you are supposed to use, and you will get result within 2 weeks of use for sure. Such a great body lotion. Vaseline also comes with their cocoa butter one. You can see this on the screen. This one is also very good body lotion, and it has a slight cocoa butter sort of scent. It is very nice smelling body lotion. It is also very perfect for those who have oily skin or normal skin or a slightly dry skin. Costs you, I think, 155 rupees for 100 ml. The bigger one will get you for, I think, 350 or 380 rupees. You will get it always in discount, and it will cost you for sure 350 or 380, not more than that. So definitely you can avail it if you are finding a good quality body lotion which will cater your extreme dryness of your body. Then this is the perfect option for you. Okay, so that's it. That was all of my suggestions. It is not huge in quantity, but definitely tried and tested by myself. And if you use any one of this, then let me know about the effectivity of this body lotions in your case. So yes, for the time being, goodbye, tata, and hope to see you again very soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.